Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Google account right there in your iPhone. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead and open our settings, and then you will go ahead and find this option called mail right here, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and now you can see this accounts option. Go ahead and tap on that one, mail accounts that you have currently. So if you want to remove your Gmail account, go ahead, tap on it, and what you can do is simply tap on this delete account right there, and now you can again go ahead and confirm delete from my iPhone, remove your account from your iPhone right there. And the other method is you will simply go ahead and access your Gmail. Go ahead, tap on your Gmail ID, tap on manage your Google account, go to this data and privacy. If you scroll down, you will be able to find more options, and then you will find delete your Google account. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will have to enter your password. Tap on next, and then you will again go ahead confirm the terms and condition given by Google. That includes the information that all of your information in your Google accounts will be removed, and then you will confirm and simply tap on delete account, and you will be able to delete. I'm not going to enter my information because I do not want to remove my account. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.